You wake up and check your phone. Someone's living their best life on Instagram. Someone else just got accepted to their dream school. Your crush posted a story with someone else. And you feel it, that empty feeling. Like everyone else has it figured out except you. You're tired, stressed, comparing yourself to everyone, wondering why you can't just be happy like everyone seems to be. This is How to Be Happy Every Day by Johnny Jade Hudson and Ivan Mazi Markov. Written specifically for Gen Z, for you, for people growing up in a world that's different from anything that came before. And here's what they're going to teach you. Happiness isn't something that just happens to you. It's not luck. It's not about having the perfect life. It's a skill, a choice, a practice. 9 practical steps. 9 changes you can make starting today. Not someday, today, because you deserve to be happy right now in the life you have, not the one you're waiting for. Let's clear something up first. Happiness isn't what you see on social media. It's not constant excitement. It's not having zero problems. It's not being positive all the time. It's not pretending everything's perfect. Real happiness is deeper. It's feeling okay with who you are. It's handling problems without falling apart. It's being content even when life isn't perfect. Johnny and Ivan say, happiness is a mindset, not a circumstance. That's huge, because most people think, I'll be happy when I get into that school, when I look like that, when I have that many followers, when my life is different. But that's backwards. You don't wait for happiness. You create it with how you think, how you act, how you treat yourself and others. And Gen Z, you need this more than any generation before, because you're growing up with social media showing you everyone's highlight reel. Pressure to have your whole life figured out by 18, a world that feels unstable and scary. More choices than ever, but more anxiety too. This book isn't going to tell you to just think positive. It's going to give you actual tools, real steps, practical habits that work. Step 1. Take responsibility for your happiness. Here's the first truth. No one else can make you happy. Not your parents, not your friends, not your partner, not likes on your posts, not achievements, not stuff, nobody and nothing external. You are responsible for your own happiness. That sounds harsh, but it's actually freedom, because it means you're in control. You're not waiting for someone else to fix your life. You're taking charge. When something bad happens, you have 2 choices. Blame everything outside yourself. My life sucks because of my parents, school, friends, the world. Take responsibility. This happened, it sucks, but I get to choose how I respond. Choice 1 makes you a victim. Choice 2 makes you powerful. This doesn't mean everything is your fault. Some things aren't. But your reaction, your attitude, your next move, that's always yours. Start here. Stop waiting for someone to make you happy. Stop blaming others for your bad mood. Start asking, what can I control? What can I change? Step 2. Define your priorities. You can't be happy if you don't know what matters to you. Most people just go through life doing what everyone expects. Parents want this, school wants that, friends want something else. Social media says you should care about this. But what do you actually care about? Make a list. Top 5 priorities. Maybe it's your family, your education, your health, your creativity, your friendships, your hobbies. Making a difference. Whatever they are, write them down. Because once you know your priorities, every decision gets easier. Someone asks you to do something. Ask yourself, does this align with my priorities? If yes, do it. If no, it's okay to say no. The power of saying no. When you have clear priorities, you can say no to things that don't matter. That's not being selfish. That's being smart with your time and energy. You don't have to do everything. You don't have to please everyone. You just have to be true to what matters to you. Step 3. Think long-term. Gen Z, you're being told to live for right now. YOLO. Enjoy the moment. Do what feels good. And yes, living in the present is important, but not at the cost of your future. Every choice you make today affects your future. Skip studying for a fun night, that affects your grade, which affects your options, which affects your future. Eat junk food every day, that affects your energy, your health, your mood, your future. Post something dumb online, that stays there forever. Your future employer might see it. This isn't about being boring or never having fun. It's about balance. It's about asking, will future me thank me for this choice or regret it? The 5-year rule. Before making a big decision, ask, where do I want to be in 5 years? Then choose the option that gets you there. Want to be healthy? Choose the workout over the couch. Want to be successful? Choose the studying over scrolling. Want good relationships? Choose the real conversation over the screen. Small choices add up. Daily habits become your future. Step 4. Vibe check. Stay humble. There's a chapter in this book called Vibe Check, and it's about staying humble. Humble doesn't mean weak. Humble doesn't mean letting people walk all over you. Humble means knowing you're not better than anyone else. Why does this matter for happiness? Because when you're arrogant, you're always competing, always comparing, always trying to be better than someone else. That's exhausting, and it makes you miserable. When you're humble, you're just trying to be better than you were yesterday. That's it. Not better than your friend, not better than some influencer, just better than past you. Humble people can admit when they're wrong, can learn from anyone, don't need to brag, can celebrate others' success without feeling threatened, ask for help when they need it. Arrogant people, they're stressed, defensive, lonely, scared of looking weak. Humble people, they're calm, open, connected, confident without needing to prove it. Stay humble, stay happy. Step 5. Listen more, talk less. You have 2 ears and 1 mouth. Use them in that ratio. Most people don't actually listen. They're just waiting for their turn to talk, or scrolling while someone's talking to them, or planning what they'll say next. Real listening? It changes everything. Why listening makes you happier. People feel valued. They like you more. Better relationships equals more happiness. You learn more. Smart people stay curious. You avoid misunderstandings and drama. You're present, not stuck in your head. How to actually listen. Put your phone away, make eye contact. Don't interrupt, ask questions. Repeat back what they said to make sure you understood. When someone feels heard by you, they trust you. They open up. Your relationships deepen, and deep relationships are one of the biggest sources of happiness. Step 6. Take care of your body. Your brain lives in your body. You can't have a happy mind if your body is a mess. 3 basics. Non-negotiable. Sleep 7 to 9 hours every night. Not when you can. Every night. Your brain needs it to function. Your mood needs it to stay stable. Your body needs it to be healthy. Eat decent food. You don't need to be perfect. Just eat mostly real food, not processed junk. Drink water. Your body is literally made from what you eat. Feed it well. Move your body. Exercise releases endorphins. It reduces stress. It boosts mood. You don't need a gym. Walk, dance, play sports. Do something. Daily. Bonus. Limit screen time, especially social media. Too much comparison equals unhappiness. Too much scrolling equals wasted time. Set limits. Your mental health will thank you. When your body feels good, your mind feels better. When your mind feels better, happiness becomes easier. Step 7. Build real connections. Gen Z. You're more connected than any generation ever, and somehow more lonely. You have hundreds of friends online, but how many can you call at 2 a.m. when you're struggling? How many actually know you? Really know you? Happiness research is clear. Strong relationships are the #1 predictor of long-term happiness. Not money, not success, not followers. Relationships. Build real connections, have actual conversations, face to face, or at least voice to voice. Share how you really feel, not just the highlight reel. Show up for people, be reliable, be there. Quality over quantity. 5 real friends beat 500 online followers. And here's something important. Be the kind of friend you want to have. Want people to listen to you? Listen to them. Want people to support you? Support them. Want loyalty? Be loyal. Happiness isn't found in isolation. It's found in connection. Step 8. Practice gratitude daily. Your brain has a negativity bias. It focuses on problems, threats. What's wrong? That's biology. That kept humans alive for thousands of years. But in the modern world, it just makes you miserable. Gratitude rewires your brain. It trains you to notice the good stuff. And the more you notice it, the more you feel it. How to practice gratitude. Every night before bed, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Not big things, small things. Your bed was comfortable. Someone made you laugh. You ate something good. The weather was nice. You learned something new. That's it. 3 things. Every day. It takes 2 minutes. After a week, you'll start noticing good things during the day. Your brain will start looking for them. And when your brain looks for good things, you feel happier. Gratitude isn't toxic positivity. You can be grateful and have problems. You can acknowledge both. Life is hard, and there's still good stuff in it. Step 9. Keep learning and growing. Happy people are curious people. They're always learning, always growing, always challenging themselves. When you stop growing, you start feeling stuck, bored, empty, like life doesn't have meaning. Growth creates happiness. Learn a new skill, read a book, try something you've never done, take a class, challenge yourself. It doesn't have to be big, just something that stretches you, something that makes you 1% better than you were yesterday. And here's the key. Don't compare your growth to anyone else's. Compare it to who you were last month, last year. Are you kinder, smarter, healthier, more skilled, more aware? That's progress. That's growth. That's something to be proud of. Happiness is a daily practice. Happiness isn't a destination. It's not something you achieve once and then you're done. It's a daily practice. Daily choices, daily habits. Some days will be easier. Some days will be hard. That's normal. That's life. But when you practice these 9 steps, you build a foundation, a mindset, a way of living that makes happiness more likely. Let's recap. Take responsibility for your happiness. Define your priorities, think long-term. Stay humble. Listen more than you talk. Take care of your body. Build real connections. Practice gratitude daily. Keep learning and growing. None of this is complicated, but it's all powerful. You don't need a perfect life to be happy. You need the right mindset, the right habits, the right perspective. And Gen Z, you've got this. You're growing up in a tough time, but you're also the most aware, most connected, most creative generation yet. Use these 9 steps. Start today, not tomorrow. Today, pick one, just one, and do it. Then pick another next week. Build slowly. Be patient with yourself because you deserve to be happy every day in the life you have right now, not someday, now.